Hi, I'm Davis Cornwell, and I'm going to talk about how LeBron James is involved in sports media and society. LeBron James was born on December 30th, 1984 in Akron, Ohio. He played high school basketball at St. Vincent St. Mary High School. He was picked number one overall by the Cleveland Cavaliers in the 2003 NBA Draft. He's a three-time NBA champion, four-time NBA MVP, 15-time NBA All-Star, three-time NBA All-Star Game MVP, one-time J. Walter Kennedy Citizenship Award winner, and Nike's main headlining athlete. LeBron James I Promise School. LeBron James launched a school in his hometown, Akron, Ohio, for 240 at-risk kids, which is totally non-profit. Kids get the following: they go to the I Promise School. Free tuition, free uniforms, free breakfast, lunch, and snacks throughout the day, free transportation within 2 miles, free bicycle and helmet if they live within over those 2 miles and can't get their own transportation, access to food pantry for the family, and free tuition to the University of Akron if admitted.